Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bob Evans app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bob Evans is a restaurant and food ordering app designed to make it easier for customers to enjoy home-style meals from their favorite Bob Evans locations. The app allows users to browse the full menu, place pickup or delivery orders, locate nearby restaurants, and even customize their meals. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering convenience for anyone craving breakfast, lunch, or dinner from the comfort of home. The app's main feature is its easy online ordering system, which lets users save favorite items, schedule pickup times, and track their orders in real time. It also provides nutritional information and seasonal offers for regular customers. For those dining in, the app helps find nearby locations, view hours, and check current deals or promotions. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Bob Evans' clean interface, fast ordering process, and dependable service. The ability to customize orders and quickly reorder favorites makes the app especially convenient. However, some users mention minor issues like occasional app crashes, location errors, or payment glitches during busy hours. Others note that delivery options can vary by region. In summary, the Bob Evans app may be worth using if you enjoy home-style meals and want a quick, reliable way to order ahead, earn deals, and save time. However, if you live in an area with limited delivery coverage or prefer in-person dining, the app may not add much value for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.